QX56. I'm sure this will work just as easy on an Infinity QX80, but we are installing the ghost lights. You can see them on the ground just a little bit. It is daytime so that you can see stuff a little bit better, but you can see on my hand it's super easy to install. I'm actually going to let my 4-year-old do it. So if my 4-year-old can do it, I'm sure you guys can. All right, Mr. Ace, come on over here. Show them how it's done.
Okay. Well,
so you take this is your original light.
You stick your screwdriver under the light.
It's real easy.
You try to pop this off. Now you go to this end, pop like that. See, it's coming off a little. And then you move to this side. Like it pops out. And
Perfect.
you have this little thing that comes out.
Awesome.
And you like pop this little switch thing out.
Here, you hold the camera and I'll pop that for you, okay? All right, Ace is gonna swap and hold the camera for us. Hey, hold it real steady so that they're not jerking everywhere. Hey, hold it real steady. Can you hold it? All right, guys, look, what I'm gonna do is there is a little catch right here for the switch. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop it, kind of push and pop it so that it releases it. And then all I'm gonna do is take my pry bar and pulls it right out. Right there, super, super, super easy. And then we've got our new LED light. It's got
Show them projector.
I will once it's plugged in. And see, it's just a plug and play, super easy. All right, Ace, keep watching. All right, we're gonna slide this in. I'm gonna push it in. And see, it's already projecting for us, but I'm going to...
And show them how it says Infinity.
All right, but I'm gonna pull it down, push it down just a little bit better so that make sure it stays, till it's snug, okay? All right, then what you're gonna do is you're going to push, wait a second, sorry guys. And you're gonna push one side in at a time, and then just push this other one in, just a little force. And then you can see it says Infinity, and again, it's cool on the ground.
Infinity like that.
Yep, it's awesome. It's super cool. Anything you want to add, Ace? It took like 2 minutes per side. Adds super cool effect to your car. Again, I wish it was dark and I could show you a little bit better how awesome it shows up because it's super bright out here. But again, you can see it, but that's how to do it. That is awesome.